Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX-5 Akera, stock reference number 4419. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre twin-turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right-hand xenon headlight. Right-hand fog light. With the left power door mirror, camera type. This vehicle is fitted with 19-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left-hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate has one small dent. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 2 dents, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav unit. Interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.